course he does. Of course he does it. Naughty boy. Alright guys, we're back on the trails. This is very sandy. Good? Can't get into first. Let's get it. Oh, this is sandy as Jesus. Don't know what sandy as Jesus means, but oh my God, my bike is all over the place. God. Alright guys, I cannot see the floor, just so you know. I got tinted goggles on. Probably not the best idea, but I cannot see a thing. Feels like I'm on sand. Okay, I can see now. Let me get sand. Whoa, front end is going. Oh, just went again. This is so much sandier than last time. Someone's poured sand down here or something. Stalled it for the first time ever off-road. I can hear him right behind me. Should let him go first really, but my God, this is horrendous. Nearly went down again. Oh, sorry guys, I cannot speak and do this. This path is... I feel like I'm floating. I don't remember that being that bad.
That's mad, mate. There's a lot of things down, I think.
The sand as well. My bike was just... Oh. this probably looks easy for a lot of people watching this, but as a newbie on a Himalayan with rubbish tyres, it ain't fun at all. Oh, it is fun, but it's not easy. But we just tracked her through because that's what the Hemi's good at. I just completely came off my pegs. Stalled again. Oh, I'm blowing. I'm actually blowing. I should stand up down here, but I don't like standing up on the shaly stuff. Alright, he's crashed every time down here because the ruts are mad. I'll tell you when. Or you'll see it, to be fair. Not that the camera does anything justice, it's what we were just saying. There's a little hill climb back there, and on camera it looks like nothing. Oi! Throttle just cut out there. Oh my god. Oh, this has changed so much. Alright, we're in it now, guys. Oh my god. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. There's normally a little lake down here, but hey, some mud, finally! Oh my. It's been a while. I think I've been slapped in the nose by a stinger now. But yeah, this is just down here is where he crashed. A baby squirrel. My grip is starting to go in my hands. Man, it's so smelly down here. Hello, sir. Move, man. What are you doing? Yeah, this is the part where he crashed. Got the two ruts on the side, and then in the rain there's a little rut in the middle, and there's drops like this. It's completely changed now.